Oh my God. Linda, we were looking for you ever since you left. Anak, where have you been?
Walang magmamanage ng business natin, Linda. Ang kapatid mo magdodoktor. Whether you like it or not, you will marry the son of the Alcalas. Mark, umuwi na tayo. I will deal with my daughter in person.
Pero Dad, ayoko makasal sa taong hindi ko kilala at hindi ko mahal. Dad? Hello, Dad?
Mark, park the car. I'll call you if I have other errands today. Okay po, sir.
Oh darling, bakit nakasimangot ka na naman?
Sumasakit ang ulo ko sa anak nating si Linda. No one will manage our business kapag wala na ako. She doesn't want to marry Jacob Alcala. Their family is our longtime business partner and their son is a great fit for our daughter.
Hindi ba pwedeng turuan mo na lang si Linda sa pagmamanage ng business natin, Arturo? Matalino naman ang anak nating si Linda.
Adelaida, I can't do that. The Alcalas and I have an agreement, a wedding for our daughter and their son, or they will pull out their huge investments sa business natin. Babagsak ang negosyo natin! Linda! Where are you? Mag-usap tayo! Ang tigas ng ulo mo!
Arturo, please, have mercy on your daughter.
Bitawan mo ko, Adelaida. Linda! Open the door! We need to talk!
Dad, I'm sorry. But I can't just marry Jacob. Hindi ko pa nga siya nakikita.
No, Linda! You will do as I say! Mark my words, Linda. You will marry Jacob Alcala, I will make sure of it. Kahit kalad ka rin pa kita sa simbahan.
Dad, for once, isipin mo naman ang anak mo.
Arturo, please. We need to say sorry to our daughter.
Hayaan mo siya, Adelaida. She will come to her senses and will realize that the wedding is the only way for her to live a comfortable life.
Dad, this is gonna be hard but I am leaving. Hindi ko talaga kayang makasal sa taong hindi ko mahal. Mas gugustuhin ko pang mamuhay ng simple kahit hirap sa buhay. Do not look for me, Dad. I hope your business will still strive even without the Alcalas. Mahal ko kayo ni Mommy. Manang Tina, I need your help. Asan po kayo nakatira?
Manang Tina, thank you. Diretso na po ako sa inyo. I sent a message to my dad para kahit papaano hindi sila mag-alala. Sige po, Manang. Salamat po.
Manang Tina.
Namiss kita, Manang. Hindi ka nakita si Manang nung nag-retire ka sa mansyon.
Halika na, Linda. Sa loob na tayo mag-usap.
Hindi ko talaga kayang gustong ipagawa sa akin ni Daddy Manang Linda.
Nalulungkot ako para sa'yo, Linda. Pero hanga ako sa katapangan mo na talikuran ang lahat para sa iyong prinsipyo. Sana, balang araw magkaayos pa rin kayo ng daddy mo.
Manang, dito po muna ko. Kapag nakahanap po ako ng work, kahanap na po ako ng sarili kong matutuluyan.
Sige lang, iha. Ako lang naman ang mag-isa dito. Welcome na welcome ka dito, Linda.
Adelaida, si Linda naglayas.
Diyos ko po! What have you done? Do not touch me, Arturo! Kinamumuhian kita!
I'm really sorry, Linda. We tried to find you. We stopped. Request ng mami mo yun dahil alam niyang ipakakasal pa din kita kay Jacob Alcala. Thank God you're alive and well.
How's Mom?
Your mom's dead, Linda. Dinamdam niya yung pag-alis mo. Until her last breath, she hated me. I'm so sorry.
Daddy, I'm so sorry. Dad, I wanna see Mom. Magpapaalam muna ako sa asawa ko.
I met him because my car crashed to his pedicab, but I haven't gotten his name. Iho, what is your name? Ricardo po, sir. Iho, call me Dad. I am your father-in-law. Son, can I borrow my daughter? She needs to see her mother. Wala pong problema. May iwan na lang po ako dito, walang bantay mga bata. Nonsense. My son Ernesto is a resident doctor here. Sandali, I will call him to assist you. Hello anak, guess what? Nakita ko na ang kapatid mong si Linda. Magkikita din kayo ni Linda? For now, Please find patient Kulas and his father, Ricardo, in the emergency ward. Linda and I will just visit your mother. Babalik din kami dito para makwento namin sa'yo lahat. O si anak, I'll get back to you. Iho, mauna na kami ha. Halika na anak ko.
Kamusta ang business, Dad?
The Alcalas ended their partnership sa business, anak, right after they found out that you eloped. But you know what? The business survived. I was blinded by money and power. I almost forgot that our faith in God is enough to get the business going.
Wala talagang imposible sa Diyos, Dad.
I am so proud of you, anak. I was confident back then that you will come back home kasi hindi ka sanay sa hirap, but you proved me wrong. And for that, you'll have my blessing. You will be managing our business and I will train you myself, anak. I'm sorry, anak. Ngayon lang ulit tayo nagkita pero business na naman ang bukang bibig ko.
It's okay, Dad. Magkwento ka lang.
Thank you, Lord God. Linda, anak, andito na tayo.
Mami ko, I'm sorry.